Hello, in this video, you will learn how to set a character limit for a text entry field in Storyline 360. Open your Articulate Storyline 360 and navigate to the slide where you want to add text entry field. Click the Insert tab, go to the Interactive Objects section, and click the Input option. Then, choose the text entry field and place it on the slide. Repeat this step to add more fields as needed. Now, select the text entry field and press Ctrl+Enter to open the Format Shape dialog box. In the text box section, enable the character limit checkbox. You can adjust the character limit using the up or down arrows. Set the limit to 8 for the first field. Repeat the steps for the second field and set the limit to 10. Preview the slide and enter your username and password in the text entry fields. Since a character limit is set, you'll see that users can't enter more characters than allowed. And that's it. You've now successfully set a character limit for a text entry field. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, follow us for more.